you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I am so sorry this video got up late. But let me tell you about yesterday. It was a storm of storms. We had an electrical storm. 2 words: ball lightning. Never seen it before, never want to see it again. Okay, we're gonna make a banana pudding cake. I've got some vanilla wafers. I've got some banana pudding. And I've got some milk. I'm gonna put my pie filling, or my banana pudding, into a bowl. This is gonna be so simple and easy, and you're gonna love it. How's everybody doing out there? Well, let me tell you about yesterday. So I'm getting ready to do our video, and all you know what breaks loose. It was incredible. And no, I did not get the chance to get my battery because we were stuck here. So, also, I put in my banana pudding. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of vanilla. Now, these are the bananas I got from the food pantry haul. I'm going to peel them up and slice them up and put them in here. We're going to put in a cup of milk, and if I feel it needs more than that, I'll put it in. Okay? Which I might do. Now I'm going to whisk this all together and mix it up. Look what it's doing already. Okay? I'm going to get one more thing. I'm putting in just a 1/4 cup. Evaporated milk. Okay? I'm going to take a banana and line the whole bottom of our pie crust. Now that we have the bananas all on the bottom, we're going to put our pudding over top. Add your banana pudding over top. And make it as even as you can. It does not have to be perfect. Now, take your vanilla wafers and put them around your pie. Now, we're going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, and then we're going to bring it out and see how it is. Be right back. While our banana pudding pie is in there getting all frigid, let's do another one. I tell you all, yesterday was scary. I can't get enough of that. Listen, I've got 2 cups of hot water. It does not have to be boiling, okay? I know they say use boiling water, but it doesn't have to be boiling. I only use boiling water if I really want it to set real hard, but because of what I'm doing with this sweetened milk, it'll be hard enough. It'll set up. I've also got 1 pack of raspberries. We're going to do a creamy raspberry dessert, a tart. Now, into the hot water, I will put my raspberry gelatin mix. I love when that happens. Did y'all see that? Now I want you to stir this until it's all dissolved. You hear me? Every single bit. So you're gonna be stirring just about a minute or two. Now, I'm gonna slowly pour in the whole can of my,
Had to think about it. Senior moment.
condensed milk. Well, at least most of it I think is enough. This is where the creaminess is going to come in. Ooh, look at that. See it change like that? Mmm. I use about half of a can, you all. Now, I'm going to put in my raspberries. So you're going to have that sweet and tart tanginess all at the same time. And yes, I've already rinsed these off. Oh my goodness. Oh yes. This is going to be good. I've done this before and I love it. It's a great summer treat and you don't have to turn on your oven. Now, how about that? Mm-hmm. I think I might want a little more of the cream in here. Okay. Ooh, yes. Now, let's fill up our pie filling. Gently. Mm-hmm. You also have to taste it just to make sure. Yeah, that's gonna be good. You want to put this in the ice box for at least 2 hours, okay? Now I'm not gonna have y'all wait till tomorrow to see what this comes out like. Absolutely not. We're gonna do a little magic and go through a little bit of Uncle Chris time machine. I'm crazy. We're gonna get it good here. I'm just putting the top on. Oh. Always make sure. Always make sure to put your tops on. All right. I'm gonna put this in the icebox for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna be right back with both our non-baked desserts. Nieces and nephews. Look, nieces and nephews, how our banana pudding came out. That looks so good. And look, our raspberry tart, so glazy and delicious. Oh yeah. These came out so good. Wonderful. The banana pudding, marvelous. The raspberry tart. Now, I'm not going to cut. Do I want to cut them now? I'm waiting for company. Okay. Okay. I took small pieces. Look at that. My banana pudding collapsed on me. But look at that raspberry. Just look at that. Look at that. All right. First, I'm going to taste the banana pudding. Pie. Wow. That is so rich. This, wow. If they don't like this, I don't know what to tell you. And the banana comes through. You know what? You could even take this up to another level for the holidays and put a little banana liqueur in here for the adults. I'm just saying. Yeah, this is really good. Now I want to try the raspberry. Wow, it really holds its shape good. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Mmm. I did not expect that raspberry flavor to come through as strong as it does, and I love it. It's tart, yet it's a little tart and sweet. It's really good. Which is my favorite? I don't know. The what do you want to say? The banana pudding is the richest, but this raspberry is definitely saying summertime. Nieces and nephews, I really had fun doing this. I'm so glad I was able to get this video up to you, because yesterday, excuse my hair, good Lord, look at this. It was terrible. A ball of lightning looked like it was walking down the street. I was just like, I'd never seen anything like that in my life, and never want to see it again. I thought I was in a sci-fi horror movie. Ooh. Anyway, I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe. And I want you also to write to me at UncleChris, the Food Pantry Chef @gmail.com. And more importantly, I want you to try these desserts. I love this raspberry. I gotta say, this makes a really good presentation. Take this to a party. I think this will also be good at a Halloween party. Mmm. 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 Fresh. All right. Till the next one, I got a cool video coming up for you. I want you to be in a little bit of suspense for that one. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.